Welcome, fellow voyagers of the cosmos. Today, we embark on a voyage of an entirely different nature. Not to explore the mysteries of black holes or far-off galaxies, but to delve into a deeply human aspect that has begun to intertwine with our spacefaring ambitions, death itself. Ever since we first looked up at the night sky, we've dreamed about what lies beyond our tiny planet. We've always been explorers, adventurers, seekers of the unknown. Over the centuries, our curiosity has driven us to journey across oceans, delve into the deepest jungles, climb the highest mountains, and, most recently, venture into the infinite expanse of space. As our technology has advanced and our ambitions have reached out into the cosmos, our thoughts about life, and in turn death, have also begun to transcend our planetary bounds. Death is one of the few experiences that is shared by every single living being on this planet. For the longest time, when it came to the burial or final resting place of our loved ones, our options were limited to the confines of the earth. But now, the final frontier is opening up to us in ways we never would have imagined. There are companies like Elysium Space and Celestis that have begun offering services to launch a small capsule containing your loved one's ashes into the vast void. What might have been considered as science fiction or a far-off dream just a few decades ago has now become a reality. These space funerals, as they are known, offer a unique and eternally lasting way to commemorate those who were passionate about the cosmos, or simply wish to be part of the infinite universe in some way, even after death. Yet, this profound expression of love and remembrance is more than just an extraordinary funeral service. It is a testament to how far we've come as a species and a symbol of our ever-growing connection with the cosmos. However, as with any significant advancement, this new form of remembrance brings with it a myriad of challenges and ethical dilemmas. The dispersion of ashes in space, while profoundly symbolic, might exacerbate the growing problem of space debris. Imagine, in the far future, space travelers having to navigate a minefield of not just defunct satellites and spent rocket stages, but also the remains of past generations. Furthermore, we still don't have a complete understanding of how human remains or ashes would behave in the vastness of space. How would they interact with solar radiation or the extreme temperatures? What would be the effect of a zero-gravity environment on them? There's also the question of potential biosecurity risks if these remains were to somehow land on another celestial body, or come into contact with extraterrestrial life. Expanding on this idea, there are companies that are offering to send samples of human DNA into space. This concept imagines our genetic information as a kind of time capsule, persisting in the vast expanse of space long after we're gone. It raises profound questions about what it means to be human and how we choose to remember and celebrate our lives. However, the science around the persistence and survivability of human DNA in space is still in its nascent stages. How long could human DNA remain intact in the hostile environment of space? Could it survive the high-energy radiation, extreme temperatures, and vacuum? And then there's the notion, straight out of the pages of a science fiction novel, that an alien civilization might someday discover this DNA and reconstitute humans. While a tantalizing thought, such a possibility is, for now, within the realm of speculative fiction. In the latest advancement, proposals are being made to send human remains or DNA into the orbit of our own Sunday. In theory, this would create a kind of eternal memorial that would orbit our parent star for millions, if not billions, of years. The concept is, in itself, a testament to our ingenuity and desire to remember and celebrate our lives in profound and lasting ways. However, the technical and logistical challenges of sending anything into a stable solar orbit are immense, not to mention the considerable costs involved. Then, there are the ethical and legal issues to be considered. Who has the right to be remembered in this way? And who has the right to decide? As we move further into the 21st century and our reach into the cosmos extends, we find ourselves at a unique point in our history. We're redefining what it means to be human, not just in terms of our capabilities and knowledge, but also in how we understand and deal with the universal experience of death. As we step into the cosmos, we take with us our deepest human emotions and rituals, transforming the universe into not just a frontier for scientific exploration, but also a canvas for the human story. As we look to the future, it's clear that our journey into space is about much more than just satellites and stars. It's about understanding ourselves and finding new and profound ways to celebrate and remember our lives. This journey is just beginning, and it's sure to be a fascinating one. As we continue to push the boundaries of our presence in space, we're not just exploring new worlds, we're redefining what it means to live and die as a species connected with the cosmos. Please note that this script is based on the state of technology and the services available as of my last update, in September 2021. If there have been recent developments or advancements in the field, you should modify or update this script accordingly.